In this video, you will learn how to claim daily gifts on Temu. Ensure you have a qualifying purchase on Temu. You may need an initial purchase or qualify through the app. Promotion to unlock daily gifts on Temu. Open the Temu app and go to You. Tap on the You icon, usually at the bottom center of the screen. Access messages, then promotions. In your profile, tap messages, then select promotions. Find the daily gift box or free gift section. Locate the daily free gift banner or section labelled daily gift box or free gift. Claim one free gift per day. Tap on the available free gift and add it to your cart and click through the checkout of a total of $0. You can claim one gift each day. Use search trick if you cannot find it. If you can't locate the gift section, use the in-app search bar and type free daily gift to reveal your daily gift. Now you know how to claim daily gifts on Temu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.